Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. As some of you were asking me to upload the video of solving the exercises of chapter 11 all about trains from Sophie Lerner's English Reader Book class 5th. So here I have come with the solution. Now without wasting time, let's go for it. Chapter number 11 all about trains, class 5th, and exercise A. What we have to do in it? We have to take the correct answer. Okay, let's see the sentence first. The first train was made in dash to improve the wool trade. Options are India, Spain, England. So जो first train ऑपरेट हुई थी wool trade को improve करने के लिए, it was operated in England. So option C, England is correct. Take it correct. I have already solved it for you. Now let's go for the second one. Halfway along the journey through Russia train is Thane, rich paddy fields, Lake Baikal. So Russia train halfway journey के कहाँ क्रॉस करती है? किसको? लेक बेकल को. ओके, सो ऑप्शन सी अगेन इज करेक्ट. टेक इट करेक्ट. लेक बेकल. थर्ड सेंटेंस, डैश इज नाउ अ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट. Which is now a World Heritage Site? It is option A, Blue Mountain Railway. Okay. So option A is correct. Take it correct. Fourth one, the dash tours all over America offering entertainment for children. Do you remember that which train is offering entertainment? Yes, you have got it correct. Option A, the Thomas train. Okay, so option A is right here. Mark it correct. Fifth, with a dash you can visit the castle as well as the cheese, dairy and chocolate factory at Gruyères. The options are first class ticket, second class ticket and third class ticket. If you remember the lines, then you must know the answer. The option A is correct, first class ticket. With a first class ticket, you can visit the castle as well as the cheese, dairy and chocolate factory. Okay, so we have done with exercise A. Now let's do exercise B, fill in the blanks. In India, the first train is steamed off with a, I have already written the correct sentence, the correct word, in the blanks. So you can write it from here. In India, the first train is steamed off with a 21-gun salute on 16th April 1833. Okay. Second one, it was trade of cotton that prompted the journey of the first ever train on the Indian subcontinent. Okay. Third one, the mountains train is so slow that one can easily walk or run along with it. Fourth one, during the long eastward journey, the Russia crosses from Europe into Asia. Fifth one, the water in the Baikal Lake is mainly from glaciers. Right? Glaciers. Okay. Now let's go further and see exercise C. In exercise C, we have to match the columns. Students, if you are having the book, then you can go through the sentences and match it according to my notes as match first with E, second to C, third to A, fourth to F, fifth to B, sixth to D. Okay. Now let's go further and see exercise D. In exercise D, we have to describe these trains. Question first is the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. We have to write a short para about this train. So write the answer as like, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway is a charming blue and cream with wooden coaches and large windows. It makes 46-kilometer long journey to connect Mettupalayam to Ooty and has a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. It is now a World Heritage Site. Let me make you understand the meaning of the answer also. So, नीलगिरी माउंटेन रेलवे को आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, तो जो भी आप नेसेसरी इंफॉर्मेशन है नीलगिरी माउंटेन के बारे में वो आपको आंसर में लिखना है. एज लाइक नीलगिरी माउंटेन रेलवे एक चार्मिंग ब्लू कलर और क्रीम कलर के वुडन कोचेस से बनी हुई है और उसमें बड़ी बड़ी खिड़कियां हैं. वो 46 किलोमीटर लंबी जर्नी को तय करती है जो कि कनेक्ट करता है मेट्टुपालयम से लेकर के ऊटी तक. और इसकी जो स्पीड है वो 10 किलोमीटर तक है पर आवर. तो ये बहुत ही स्लो चलती है. टॉय ट्रेन है तो स्लो चलती है. माउंटेन ट्रेन है. इट इज़ नाउ अ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट. अब ये क्या है? दुनिया की एक विरासतों में से एक है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो for second one. Chocolate train. Here we have to describe about the chocolate train. The Swiss chocolate train combines tasty treats with scenic routes. Children can eat as many chocolates as they want. With first class ticket, one can visit the castle, dairy and chocolate factory and Crewells. Okay? तो स्विस चॉकलेट ट्रेन, क्योंकि हमें बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं इसको ब्रॉड में लिखना है, आंसर शॉर्ट में लिखना है, 4-5 सेंटेंसेस में ही लिखना है. तो राइट इन एज शॉर्ट एज यू कैन. स्विस चॉकलेट ट्रेन बहुत ही टेस्टी ट्रीट्स के साथ आपको सीनिक रूट्स मीन्स जो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सीनरीज आपको जो देखने को मिलती है उसका एक कॉम्बिनेशन है. और यहाँ पे बच्चे चाहे जितनी उनका दिल करे उतनी चॉकलेट्स खा सकते हैं. उन्हें ट्रेन में दी जाती है, प्रोवाइड की जाती है. और अगर उनके पास फर्स्ट क्लास टिकट है तो वो वहाँ का जो कासल है और जो चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री है वो भी विजिट कर सकते हैं. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, थॉमस ट्रेन. Read about it. As Thomas Train tours all over America offering edutainment for children. Thomas Train अमेरिका में टूर करती है. अमेरिका इज़ अ ह्यूज कंट्री, तो वहाँ पे हर जगह पे ये टूर करती है डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे. और इसमें बच्चों को एंटरटेनमेंट तो होता ही है लेकिन उनको एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का नॉलेज मिलता है एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ, जिसको हम बोलते हैं एडुटेनमेंट. ओके, Thomas is a tank engine painted blue with red lining and displays the number 1 on its side. ओके, थॉमस क्या है? एक टैंक इंजन है और वो ब्लू कलर से पेंटेड है जिसमें रेड लाइनिंग दी गई है और डिस्प्ले में नंबर 1 लिखा हुआ है एक साइड पे. सो दैट वुड बी इनफ for describing this train. Okay, I hope you have understood everything, students. I'll see you next class. Thank you.